Hello and welcome back to another video on Unpacked Technologies. In this video, I'll be unboxing the MSI Mag 850 watt PCIe 5 power supply. This is yet another component in the PC build and is one of the last components I'll be unboxing on this channel, with one more being the case fan in the next video. So let's get straight into it. Alright, so the power supply is vital to the PC build, as is what supplies power to all of the components in the build. And I chose this one because it's quite a well-rounded package. It's by MSI, which is a fairly well-known brand in the field. And it's also an 80+ gold rated power supply, which means it's quite high on the scale of power supplies. It's not the highest rating, but it's up there, which is good. It's also 850 watts, which is great for my system. It's probably a little bit more than I need. I probably could have gotten away for 750 watt for the components that I am including, which will have been seen in previous unboxings videos. But I thought it was good to allow a little bit of extra headroom for some upgrades in the future. And it also supports PCIe 5, which is really important for that new graphics card architecture. It's also ATX 3.0 compatible, which is also helpful. So now taking a look around the box before we get into the unboxing, you can see on the front we have a picture of the power supply itself. We've got the MSI logo, 80+ gold, and some stats there with the 850 watt PCIe 5 branding on there next to the mag. On the right hand side, you can just see just more of the same. On the top, it's also some more advertising. On the left-hand side, there's just some regulatory information and user manual in some different languages. On the bottom, it just says MSI Mag, and it has the model there. And then on the back, it's just got some information about what it contains and the different features of it, including the fact that it's fully modular, which is really great as well. You can also see here all the different cables that are included. So now let's get into the unboxing experience. So we'll just get rid of the plastic wrapping on here. There we go. Now I'll just keep pulling it off like so. There we go. So now what we can do is pull on the tab at the bottom, and we should be able to open it up. All right, so now we can just lift it up and open, and then we can see the contents of the package. So we've got, to the side here, we have got a little bag with all the different cables that we would possibly need in it. So we've got things like PCIe 5, SATA, Molex, power, all those sorts of cables are in there, so that's really handy. We've also got the power cable itself to run the computer off, and that all sits in the bag. We've also got some screws, which will be very helpful. So I'll put that all to the side for now, and then we can see the power supply itself. So we'll lift it up. All right, so we'll take the protective foam off, and then we can grab the power supply itself. We'll put everything else to the side for now, and we can take a closer look at this. So we'll take it out of its plastic, and here's the power supply itself. So you can see on the front it says Mag 850 watt PCIe 5 with the MSI logo there. You can see the MSI logo on the top, and you can see the fan ready to go there. On the back it's the same, or on the other side, sorry. On the back, you can see this is where the IEC cable goes into, and we've got the flick to turn the power supply on and off, little toggle there. And then on the front, we've got all the different connections there. So we've got ATX 24 pin, CPU and PCIe, 12 volt connection, CPU and PCIe again, SATA and Molex, and more of the same all around. So really great power supply. I think it should work well. It's quite well balanced for this system, so I think it will do well. And let me know in the comments below if you'd like to hear how this goes over the long run. It's not much to review about a power supply, but if I have any issues with it, I'll be sure to let you know about that. And with that, thanks for watching this video on Unpack Technologies. Hopefully this was helpful and it's given you a good idea of what the unboxing experience of this particular power supply is. And hopefully you've really enjoyed this series of unboxings. I've got one more video to come, and then that will be it for the PC build. So yeah, it's been a lot of fun doing this, and yeah, hopefully you found it entertaining as well. And with that, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.